All right, so ready for deep dive.
Always.
Today, it's blockchain and film.
Okay.
We got a bunch of your suggestions. This video, the ultimate guide to blockchain in film and TV production financing.
Right.
From, let me see, Cinetech Fandom, Cinema Technology of Fun, YouTube channel, catchy. So, blockchain in Hollywood, what's the big deal?
Well, there's a lot of buzz, and for good reason. Filmmaking.
Yeah.
Ripe for disruption. Blockchain could be huge, like totally change how things are done.
I'll be honest, I was kind of lost at first, but that video with the whole class notebook for money thing, that clicked.
Yeah, that's blockchain in a nutshell.
Yeah.
Decentralized, transparent ledger.
Yeah.
Everyone's got a copy, can't mess with it easily.
Yeah.
But it's bigger than just, tracking payments.
That's what hooked me. They were saying anyone could be a film investor, not just the Hollywood bigwigs.
Exactly. Imagine, like, crowdfunding, but on steroids. Everyday people putting money directly into projects they love. For indie filmmakers, game changer.
No more studio execs to impress.
Right. And then there's smart contracts. The video talked about those, these self-executing agreements, all coded out. So like a VFX artist, their work's done, boom, payments automatic.
Whoa, hold on. So no more chasing invoices for months. That's huge, especially for freelancers.
Totally. Blockchain could even out the playing field, not just money-wise, but making sure everyone gets their fair share right from the start.
No more shady Hollywood accounting, huh?
Exactly. Transparency builds trust. And not just between filmmakers and investors, but audiences too.
Yeah, the video touched on that, like a more direct connection between the creators and the fans.
Right. You could track a film's journey, script to screen, see who's involved, every step, or even, like, verify if a piece of memorabilia is real.
Like a digital certificate of authenticity. No more fake movie props on eBay.
Exactly. Brings a whole new level of authenticity to, honestly, an industry that can be pretty secretive.
Yeah.
But it's not just behind the scenes. Remember that part about microtransactions for, like, specific parts of a film?
Whoa, yeah. Pay to only watch your favorite actor scenes. Not sure if that's genius or kind of terrifying.
It's definitely different. Raises questions about, like, artistic vision versus giving audiences what they want. Do we end up with movies that are just a bunch of random scenes? Or is it like a new era of interactive storytelling?
Reminds me of those choose your own adventure books. But instead of turning pages, you're clicking through different storylines.
Right. It's about changing how we experience films. And this is where things get really interesting and maybe a little scary. Because, with any new tech, there's always challenges.
Yeah, the video mentioned regulations, and then there's the whole cybersecurity thing. Isn't blockchain supposed to be, like, unhackable, though?
Well, that's the idea. And it is, by design, very secure.
Yeah.
But it's still technology. And where there's technology, there's always, the potential for things to go wrong.